Okay, so now here is a sum. To find the points of intersection of the curves represented by arg z minus 2 minus 7i equal to cot inverse 2 and arg z minus 5i by z plus 2 minus I equal to plus minus 5 by 2. Now, we'll try a conventional method first and then do it by a much more elegant method, which will take us much lesser time. Whatever, this is a sum involving the Argand diagram. So conventionally what we do is we take the complex number as z equal to x plus iy and put it in each of these curves. For here, the first one look like right, so that it looks like this, and remember that cot inverse 2 is actually tan inverse half. So it will take you seconds to arrange this as so we have the equation of the straight line, that is 2y equal to x plus 12, right? Now you could have immediately plotted this on the Argand diagram, and there are perils of putting it like that. Chance of making a great mistake. I'll come to that later on. Let us examine the next curve here. You put x plus iy there also, that is and we can simplify it, noting that arg numerator minus arg denominator is equal to that. So using the formula for tan inverse small a minus tan inverse small v, that will give you tan inverse a minus b by 1 plus ab. And when you get it in that form, you note that the denominator has to be 0, because tan of plus minus 5 by 2 is infinity. So that should give you, I think I'll not go into doing that. I just on simplifying, we would get this. You can note my reluctance to solve it because I'm really not interested to it by this method. However, this gives the equation of a circle being given the endpoints of the diameter, right? Now, let us try and do it by some other method. Like we have to note that arg z minus z1 equal to alpha would look like something like this. If z1 is this and say alpha is an acute angle, then we would have it have a ray going away from it in this direction. Okay, and remember to fill up a hole here, because this will not include, the ray will not include z1. So according as the angle, we will change the direction of the ray, right? You can point here or wherever. That depends entirely on how I take the angle. This is what the formula is. Okay, so using this, we can draw this given curve here. Note the point z1 is z1. Z1 is 2 plus 7i. somewhere here. So the ray must point away in this direction because we have tan inverse half, which is an acute angle here. And remember to note that there is a hole here. Okay. Coming to the second curve, we can note that arg z minus z1 by z minus z2 equal to some fixed angle alpha. Supposing this is z1 and this is z2. So this would be actually a segment of a circle. Okay. And any angle in this segment be alpha. Mind it, we don't complete the entire circle. This is not included here. Okay. So coming back to the given curve here, we note that it is z minus 5i by z minus 2 plus I. Okay. And this is equal to plus minus pi by 2. So plus and minus pi by 2 means that it completes the entire circle. It includes both the halves. So we just have to now take the ends of diameter. 5i would be somewhere here. And minus 2 is somewhere here, plus I is somewhere here. So we've got the ends of the diameter. We'll just set in a circle here. This is what it is, and you can see that there are no points of intersection. So this is the answer, right? We could, examine another problem here just to check whether we've built some real funda here. Like I'll give you a sum, make it up somewhere. Z minus 2, I'll make it easy for myself. Say 3 pi by 4. Okay. And arg, say z minus 1. Okay. Plus I, this pi by 4. So trying to do that, first one, you see the z minus z1, this is 2 plus 2i. So 2 plus 2i, this is the point. And the ray will move, as you must have already rightly guessed, in this direction, this 3 pi by 4. Okay, just fill up the hole, just supply the hole here because this point is not included. The next one, it is 1 minus I. Point is 1 minus I. So it's from here and it's going to go in this direction here. So just filling up the hole here, you can find that there are no points of intersection. So if you had not been careful, you could have made this intersect with this. Okay, and got 1 point of intersection, but that would have been a wrong answer. It does not intersect because it starts from there. Got it? Okay.